What is corrosion? Corrosion is the natural process of the degradation of pure metals through a chemical reaction between it and its surrounding environments. There are many causes to corrosion, which are the exposure to oxygen, contact with water, and salt.
Rusted metal will turn the metal surface to a brown-red color and creates a rougher texture. It is not good to be in contact with human skin and might create damage when in contact with the food we eat.
There are a few ways to prevent corrosion from happening. First, covering the metal with paint as an additional layer to block contact with the outside. Second, oil or carbonate that acts as a corrosion inhibitor to slow down the reaction. Third, mixing with other metals to change the characteristics of the mixed compound. This process is called alloying. And fourth is through galvanization, where one metal protects another metal.
We conducted an experiment by putting in metal screws into 10 different tubes with 10 different contents, testing which content would cause corrosion and which wouldn't.
Some of the tubes were filled with fluids such as oil, boiled water, mineral water, and aqueous, and others were filled with salt or magnesium ribbon. We left these substances with the screws for a few days to let the corrosion process work.
As a result, screws that were in water, namely aqueous and mineral water, caused the most corrosion to the screws. Other contents, such as oil or enclosed tubes, prevents the rusting as it blocks the oxygen. Like metal rusting when exposed to oxygen, the similar thing happens when we slice fruits. When fruits are cut, they are exposed to oxygen and they turn brown. This process is called oxidation. Oxidation itself is defined as an electrochemical reaction between oxygen and other substances. This makes fruit and vegetables turn brown when it's not stored properly, because the enzymes in fruits called polyphenol oxidase that reacts with oxygen. So how to prevent it from turning brown? In simple, we could minimize the exposure of the fruits by putting it into a container or a Ziploc bag. But that would not be enough. For longer term, usually cut fruits should be soaked in salt water. The salt water will lower the pH, making it more acidic and slows down the reaction with oxygen.